Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina and this is the first video in the series of mindfulness. Now for me, mindfulness encompasses many things. One of which is being present and living in the moment. Also being intentional about your actions, your behaviors, your thoughts and your words. Which brings me to the topic of today, and that is being aware of how your simple actions are affecting our environment. Now you might notice that this video or this series might be related to self-love. And the thing is, the three words that are related to my channel are also interrelated. So self-love, success, and mindfulness. And the reason I emphasize self-love and mindfulness, especially in relation to the environment, is that basically our environment is our home. If we didn't have the earth as it is right now, we wouldn't have a place to live. And I know that we are looking to live in other planets and destroy other planets, but for now this is our home and we have to take care of it. And the thing is, there has been a lot of changes in a very small time span, and some changes were wonderful and other changes had detrimental effects on our environment. And what we can do individually is very simple. When we are aware of our actions and how it is affecting our environment, then we are able to do something about it. So in this video, I wanted to share with you what I'm doing and what I started to do for the environment and for my health and my happiness and my self-love in respect to my environment. So the thing that I decided to do is replace certain products that I have with more environmental friendly products. And I wanted to start with the easiest ones and then go towards things that need habit changing. And in this video, I want to share with you my zero waste bathroom alternatives. I think that the bathroom, if you start with the bathroom, it requires less of change than other areas, let's say eating out, because you are just using new products but you are still doing the same routines. So let's get started. The first thing that I replaced is my washcloth, and I replaced it with a loofah. A loofah is 100% natural and it is biodegradable and it exfoliates really well because it's not smooth. So there are some synthetic loofahs out there that are made of plastic that helps you exfoliate your body. So yeah, the loofah is a natural product and it is a replacement for your synthetic washcloth. The second product that I replaced is my shampoo, and I replaced it with the Lush shampoo bar. So our shampoo has many chemicals that are dangerous for the ocean. Basically, any dirt that comes from us does not affect the environment that much. But all our chemicals that we use to clean ourselves and clean our homes and clean our bodies is what actually affects the environment in a bad way. One of which is the shampoo. It has many chemicals that are harmful to our water and to the ocean. Not only that, but the plastic packaging that the shampoo bottles come with also goes directly to waste. It is mainly not recyclable and it is just these huge piles of waste that are accumulated, and a lot of products that we use end up in the ocean. So what I decided to do is replace my shampoo with a shampoo bar, and I bought my shampoo from Lush and it comes package free, so it's just this round shampoo bar, and I bought it alongside a tin. So the tin helps keeping it dry, and the most important thing is after you take a shower to dry up the tin and then put it aside. So if you leave it in your shower, it's gonna melt. So I just put it in the tin, and whenever I want to replace my shampoo bar, I keep my tin, I bring it with me, and then I buy a new one. So that is the most important thing. But aside from that, it really foams up and it lathers very well. And also it smells like honey. I also replaced my conditioner with the conditioner bar from Lush, and I got the purple one because it counteracts the orange or the yellow from my hair. After you dye your hair, it might get orange, especially if you dye it blonde, and To counteract that, you can use a purple conditioner so your color is maintained for a longer time. Now my color needs to be dyed again because I have dyed it for a long time, but yeah, the conditioner bar actually helps maintain the color and it moisturizes my hair very well. And I also bought it alongside a tin. The third product that I recently just replaced is my liquid soaps. So I also replaced them with these Lush soaps. So I got the Sex Appeal and this one is called Australie. They both smell very nice and they come with paper packaging, so also the packaging is good for the environment. Next, I replaced my toothpaste with these tooth tabs, and at first I used the samples, so I tried them out. I tried both the powder and the tabs, but I preferred the tabs more because you just put it in your mouth, you chew it, and you brush your teeth. And I found that the Boom tab actually helps whiten your teeth. So this is something that I will be splurging on. The next thing that I replaced is my toothbrush, and I bought a bamboo one. So the handle is bamboo, but the bristles are plastic. I'm trying to find one that is bamboo overall, but this is so far what I found. At the end of the day, the bamboo will biodegrade and it is not harmful for the environment. And I will leave it in the description. I also don't know what to do with it, so I don't know if I should compost it or throw it or put it in the fire or what to do with it. So especially because the bristles are still plastic. So if you know anything about this, then you can leave it in the comments. The next products that I want to talk about are your usual body care products. So your moisturizers for the body and for the face, scrubs and masks. I really love the Lush products because they are mostly they are vegetarian and they are against animal cruelty, and also the packaging, although it is plastic, but it is recyclable because you can see that the number here is 5 is recyclable. I'm going to look more into that, but yeah, with Lush, what I like about it is that most of their containers for like the masks and the moisturizers and stuff like that, if you have if you accumulate 5 containers, you can replace it with a brand new product. But I don't think this works with the tooth tabs. So these are the products that I have replaced so far, but my journey is still at the start. So whenever I replace new products, I'm gonna share them with you guys. And if you have any ideas of zero waste alternatives, you can also share them in the comments down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you next week. May you have a clutter-free life.